Good morning, students. Previous class we have seen about receptors of leech, suckers of leech, external aperture of leech, mouth, anus, nephriospore, male genital pore, female genital pore, division of the body. Up to there we have seen. Today we are going to see body wall of leech. Body wall of leech. In that body wall of leech, it includes 5 layers. There are 5 layers which cover the leech body. First layer is cuticle. It is an outermost layer of the leech body. This which maintain the body temperature. Next, epidermis, which lies below this cuticle. It is also outermost layer of the leech body. Next, third one is dermis layer. It is lies below the epidermis. Fourth layer, muscular layer. There are 2 types of muscular layer: circular muscular layer, longitudinal muscular layer. Then fifth one, botryoidal tissues. These botryoidal tissues which cover entire body of the leech, that body cavities. Inside the leech body there is a coelom, body cavity. That body cavity covered by botryoidal tissues, and also around the gut, alimentary canals. That alimentary canals around also this botryoidal tissues present. Then there are 5 layers. First one is cuticle, second one is epidermis, third one is dermis, fourth one is muscular layer, last one is botryoidal tissues. Next is locomotions. Locomotion or movement. Locomotion means that animal which move from one place to another place for food and shelter. There are 2 types of locomotions in leech. First one is looping movement or crawling movement. Looping movement means this type of movements, it is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. These 2 suckers, that anterior suckers and posterior suckers, which serve the attachment and the substratum or surface, then that animal, that leech, which move from one place to another place with the help of these 2 suckers, anterior and posterior suckers. And the second one is swimming movement. Then leeches swim very actively in water. This movement, mainly undulating movement in water. Undulating means the leech which moves up and down, or wave-like structures. That is undulating movement. Next one is digestive system. Digestive system, it includes alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canals which start from mouth to anus, digestive gland which secrete digestive enzymes. What is mean by digestion? Digestion means breaking down of complex food materials into simplest or diffusible form. That is called digestion. Digestion mainly it includes alimentary canal and digestive glands. First we can see alimentary canal. This is a digestive system of leech. Digestive system of leech. Your book page number you can see 190. There are 3 jaws. Here only that first 5 segment mouth is present. Next the mouth, that is a pharynx, common passage for food and windpipe. Next one is esophagus, it is a food pipe. Next to the food pipe, crop chambers. There are 10 crop chambers which store large amount of blood. That is crop chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 crop chambers which is store large amount of food. This crop chamber, each crop chambers which project outwards, projection like structure, that is called this one. This one is called crop diverticula. Crop diverticula. Then this crop chambers, it leads into the stomach. This is stomach. This one, where the digestion take place with the help of proteolytic enzymes. After digesting food, then digested food absorbed by intestine. This intestine which absorb digested food and it diffuse into the body. Next is rectum. This undigested food it is stored in the rectum. Then temporarily it will be stored in the rectum. Then this undigested food it will be egested, removed through anus. This is the digestive systems. We can see the digestive system. Alimentary canal which start from mouth to anus. Mouth we can see. Mouth it is located in the first 5 segments in the anterior sucker, and the middle of the anterior sucker this mouth is located. This mouth it contains triradiate aperture. It is Y-shaped aperture. Triradiate aperture. Triradiate aperture means like this. Triradiate aperture. You can see this triradiate aperture. It is a Y-shaped. This is a triradiate aperture. It is an anterior sucker, this region. This mouth is present in the middle region of the anterior sucker. This is Y-shaped. This is triradiate aperture. Then this mouth it is situated in the middle of the anterior sucker, as we have seen. There is a small buccal cavity in the mouth. We can see in our mouth there is a gap. In that gap only teeth, tongue present. Like this in leech also there is a small buccal cavity in their mouth. In that buccal cavity there are 3 jaws with a single row of minute teeth. 3 jaws will be there, whereas for us 2 jaws, upper and lower jaws. Here that is why it is a triradiate aperture. This tri means 3. That is why there are 3 jaws with a single row of minute teeth. With the help of this minute teeth which suck the blood from host. There is a small outgrowth from jaws that is called papillae. That is a hair-like projection, hair-like structure that is called papillae. Then this mouth which contains salivary glands. This salivary gland which secretes saliva. Mouth which contains salivary gland. That salivary gland which secretes saliva. That saliva which contains hirudin. It is a chemical substances or enzyme which is present in saliva. This hirudin main function which prevent the coagulation of blood. It is anticoagulation of blood which prevent the blood clotting. Then only the blood continuously which flow inside the body which prevent the blood clotting. Again this hirudin which act as an anesthetic substances that prevent the host from feeling this bite Anesthetic substances means it makes that person senseless when it bites that host. That is called anesthetic substances.